Hello, billionaires. So when I ask, have you bought stocks before? They are like, no, they've never bought stocks before, but they want to give it a try. I said, okay, is this the first time you're hearing about shares? And they say, yes, this is the first time they're hearing about shares, but they've also heard about Dangote Refinery and how it wants to go public, and they don't know anything about stocks and they want to learn. So this video is for you if you've never bought stocks before. If this is the first or second time you're hearing it, then watch this till the end, because you don't want to miss out on a life-changing opportunity. And you're like, okay, you were saying something like that, but you didn't know what is it. Then watch this video till the end. If you have heard about Dangote Cement, Apple shares, Amazon shares, but you don't know how to buy them, you don't even know what it's all about, you don't even know how you can make money from it. I had someone actually DM me to say, oh, that I saw your post online and I don't know, is it a business I can start? How can I start? How can I make money from it? Well, you have to know that investing in the stock market, buying shares, is not a business. Instead, what you're doing is that you're investing in other people's businesses, and I'm going to show you. So someone also asked me, is this stuff legit? All right, how legit is it? What's the guarantee that they're going to honor our investment? And I was explaining to this person that there's what we call SEC, which is the Security Exchange Commission. All right, these guys are the people that are in charge of making sure that every investor's right is protected. They're in charge of making sure that the companies that are coming online to issue out shares to the public are actually regulated, and there's no mago inside it. So if this is your first time, sit back and watch this till the end. So I want to take you back to where GTCO share price, when GTCO and Fidelity were actually issuing out shares. For those of us that know, for those that don't know, I want you to watch with my screen as I'm googling it. You could see that GTCO share price. The first time you're going to see is the London share price, because most of us don't know that GT Bank is actually listed in London as we speak. All right, you can buy GT Bank shares. You see the bank you are using, all the banks you are using, Fidelity, FCMB, Sterling Bank, what again, Access Bank, Stanbic IBTC, you can actually buy their shares on the stock market. And so what does it mean to actually buy shares? What is this shares? So shares is simply ownership in a company. And I like to use this description. You know, when how many of us have that one friend that we've put funds together for? Or you've had that one friend that you're like, okay, or you have that one friend that you're like, okay, this person wants to start up his or her boutique business, and she's actually doing very well for herself, and she wants to expand to maybe somewhere in Kaduna or somewhere in Tanzania, and she needs to raise money. So she calls all her family members, she calls all her friends and say, okay, this is how much money my business is actually making. All right, and if I go to get this money from the bank, the pressure to pay back will eat up my progress. All right, the reasons why we eat up my progress. So how about we create this partnership where I'm making, in my 10 million naira small business, if I invest 10 million naira in my business, in 6 months, in a year, I'm going to see 5 million naira as profits. That's a 50%, right? That's a 50% in 1 year. Okay, so what does that mean? So she's telling that, okay, if you invest in her business, if you put in 1 million in her business, she's going to give you what, 1.5 million at the end of the year. If you put in 5 million in her business, you're going to get what, 2.5 million at the end of the year. That's 7.5 million in total. So what do? You're going to be like, okay, fine, since I know you, I trust you, you lend her the money. You're not lending her the money, you invest in her business. It's different from lending. If you're lending her the money, this one is despite the business movement. If the business goes up or goes down, it's not your business, because you lent her the money. So all you are waiting for is for her to pay you back at the due date with the interest she's supposed to pay you with. But this one, if you're investing in her business, you're like, okay, let's partner together, let's see how this can go forward. And then if she encounters any stumbling block, she come and reports back to you to you people and say, oh, she encountered this stumbling block and she will need more money, or she will need this, or she cannot be able to remit the last one. And because you guys are already partnered in that business, you can always tell her, oh, pay me back my money, because you already invested, right? You have told her that you want to be a partner in that business. So it's the same thing as buying shares. When you're buying shares with Amazon, when you're buying shares with Facebook, you're buying shares with GT Bank, you're buying shares with Fidelity. Let me look for Fidelity Bank offer. Secondary, it's called secondary offer because they initially did secondary bank offer. All right, just so you see, secondary share price offer. Let me just leave it as secondary offer. Okay, let's see. So this was it. Let's see if I can zoom on it. So this was way back in 2024 when these banks issued a new offer. You could see that they were trying to issue out new this offer of subscription of 10 billion shares, all right, at the share price of 9 naira. So if you bought Fidelity Bank when it came out in 2024, right, by now you'll be sitting on, let me show you how much the share price of Fidelity is. Fidelity, right? This is not what I clicked on. So you can see 19 naira. So imagine for something you bought, this is it too. For something you bought for 9 naira, if you can see my screen very well, for something you bought for 9 naira, 75 kobo, right? If you buy one share for 9 naira, 75 kobo, let's assume that you decide to buy, you invest 100,000 naira. You don't have much money, you decide to invest 100,000 naira in this. Let me pull up my calculator. So 100,000, you decide to invest 100,000 naira into Fidelity, and they were giving out 9 naira. So divided by what? 9.7 naira as the share price. That's 1 unit. So you'll be buying 10,000 with your 100,000 naira. You will buy 10,000 units of Fidelity, 10,956 units of Fidelity. That was in 2024, but look at it in 2026. Now, Fidelity currently is at 19 naira. This is the share price of Fidelity currently at 19 naira. So if we go back to our calculator and say these are our 10,256 shares that we've gotten. So let me do 10,256 multiplied by what? 19 naira. What are we going to get? 194,000 naira. So your gain in investing in Fidelity as of 2024 July, that's when it came out. This is just 2026. So it's not even up to 2 years, right? It's not up to 2 years. This is one month, 1 year and 9 months. In less than 2 years. In less than 2 years, you're able to see 94,000 naira. That is 94%. 94% increase in your portfolio. So imagine someone that invested with 1 million naira. What are they going to get? What are they going to get? 100,000, 190, yes, 900,000. 94,000, not even 900,000, 94,000. Someone invested 1 million naira, they're getting 948,000, right? Because 948,000, they invested 1 million naira. What am I even saying? So if you invested 100,000, you are getting 94,000. If you invested 1 million naira, you're getting 1,948,000. 1,948,000. 948,000 is your interest. How mad is it? Okay, look at GT Bank. When GT Bank released their offer, let's do GT Bank. All this is I'm showing you can go and verify. GT Bank secondary offer. Sorry, this is not stopped recording over there. Let's click on GT Bank secondary offer. I'm going to go to images straight. So this is it here. Why is it taking me to Facebook? I just want to see the picture. Okay, they even posted it on Twitter. It's taking us to Twitter. You can see own shares of GT Bank for. See, and this was actually posted by Guarantee Trust Bank on Twitter, right? As Guarantee Trust Bank on Twitter, you can see. Look at it. Asks you own shares of GT Bank for 44 naira per share, right? And this was the application closed on August 12, 2024. Can you see? So imagine if you bought GT Bank shares before August 12th. Let's say you bought it in July. It opened in July, closed in August. You bought it in July, and we're not up. This is not 2026 July, this is 2024. So we are not up to 2 years. This is in less than 2 years. So let's look at the share price of GT Bank. If I come here and the current share price of GT Co is 120 naira. 120 naira. So if you didn't have any money at all, and you bought just 100k of GT Bank. Hold on, let me bring up my calculator. So you know how we do the math, right? We say 100,000 times 0. Hold on. So we say 100,000. The 100,000 naira that we have, we want to buy GT Bank at 44 naira each. When I say divided by 44 naira, that will give us the number of shares we'll be having. So the numbers of shares we'll be having will be 2,272. 2,272 numbers of shares. So if we times that 2,272 number of shares, if we times that by the current share price of GT Bank, sorry, I need to move this here. I don't think you can see me. Right? If we do that if we times that by the current share price of GT Bank, which is 120 naira, you'll be seeing times 120. So that's what 272,727. So why Fidelity gave you 94,000 with your 100k? These guys with the same 100k that you invested in GT Bank, you're going to get 272,000 naira, and your gain there is 172,000 naira. That's your profit is 172,000, 172%. Do you know how cool is that? Do you know people are printing money from the stock market? People have invested 1 million, 10 million. I haven't that I've helped them to invest 10 million in the market, 15 million in the market, and they are smiling. Last year, a client that invested with me in 2025, they made so much money that they had to liquidate they had to sell and they used to start up their business, and now they are back in March to still invest in the stock market. So this is not something you should be sleeping, because people are actually printing money. And how they're printing money? Because they're investing in quality companies. It's not just anyhow companies you can invest in, because there are still other companies you will go and buy that you will not even see your money. Your money will not even come out. And that's what you're going to be learning in the webinar. All right? That's what you're going to be learning in our stock webinar. So for just 5,000, can see this. So for just 5,345 naira, you're going to learn when to buy and sell shares. You're going to know how to buy these stocks. We'll help you set up your investment account step by step. If you don't know any broker at all, we'll help you set that up. All right. We'll also make sure that the numbers that the numbers your broker is going to give you, you will save that, so that in case you want to start in case you change your phone, in case they switch up, you can easily navigate your shares and get back your money. All right, we're going to show you. You're going to give you 5 recommended stocks you can buy with your mobile phone. 5 stocks you can buy, US stocks, Nigerian stocks that you can buy, and you can see reasonable profit in 2 to 5 years. So with just 5,345 naira, you are going to learn all of this. All right, if you're early or you join the regular bet for 10,000 naira, but I want all of you to subscribe to this 5,345 naira you get. All right, so see you inside. All right, so just pay to the bank you are seeing here. It's Crystal Invest Company, 300 688, and you can send a screenshot to this number 090 37174880. All right, so that is it. Make sure to send me a screenshot to join the class immediately. Bye, Crystal Cares.